People have always dreamed of glimpsing the future. Science fiction writers of the past century often describe various technologies that exist today. So does this mean everything we see in sci-fi movies today awaits us in the future? It's quite possible. But there's an even more distant future that no one thinks about. What will happen in 5 billion years? 6 scenarios for the end of our planet. Intrigued? Then buckle up, we're starting. But before you grab your popcorn and get ready to watch, make sure to subscribe to Wise Up and give this video a like. It will really help us find even more interesting facts for you. Subscribed? Then let's go. The expansion of the sun. Our universe is 14 billion years old. It may seem to us that stars, planets, and other celestial bodies will last forever, but that's not quite the case. If there is a beginning, there will also be an end. Even our bright, warm, and energetic sun is not eternal. You might say, come on, how could anyone possibly know that? Well, here's how. In 2016, the journal Astronomy and Astrophysics published an approximate timeline of the future of our solar system, created by a group of international scientists. They explained that at a distance of 208 light-years from Earth, there is a star called L2 Puppis. 5 billion years ago, it was an absolute twin of our sun with the same mass and size. Thanks to this, scientists were able to determine the fate of our solar system with almost 100% accuracy. And if the sun is currently in the state of a yellow dwarf, in 5 billion years it will expand into a red giant, growing to 100 times its current size, and will engulf Mercury and Venus. But what will happen to us then? No one knows for sure. However, scientists agree on one thing: nothing good. Well, that's it, you might say. Earth is doomed and we can end the video here. But wait, it's not certain that our planet will even make it that far. It's entirely possible that it could be destroyed by one of the following events much sooner. So, sit tight and let's continue. Volcanic Apocalypse. The Permian-Triassic extinction event. Does that sound familiar? Now imagine this. As a result of this catastrophe, 70% of land-dwelling vertebrates and about 90% of marine species vanished from the face of the Earth forever. And all of this happened 252 million years ago. The cause was shrouded in mystery, with scientists proposing dozens of theories. And now, quite recently, modern technology has helped researchers discover that this catastrophe was the result of a volcanic apocalypse. But what does this have to do with anything, you might say? It happened, and that's it. But scientists in the United Kingdom point out that in the past, supereruptions capable of wiping out civilization occurred every 45 to 714,000 years. But now it has become clear that this interval is much shorter. We're talking about a range of 5,200 to 48,000 years, and the most likely interval they identified is 17,000 years. And considering that the last supereruption on Earth occurred 20 to 30,000 years ago, it turns out that a new catastrophe could happen any day now. Time to urgently get some insurance. Asteroid impact. The collision of a 12-kilometer-wide asteroid with Earth around 66 million years ago led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. And even earlier, an asteroid named Theia, the size of Mars, collided with the young Earth, resulting in the formation of the Moon. Could this happen again? Yes. According to scientists, as early as 2046, Earth could collide with a smaller asteroid. While it may not destroy the entire planet, it could still cause massive damage. And in about 400 million years, it is predicted that a collision with an asteroid could destroy the ozone layer. As a result, all life on Earth could be at risk. Cooling of Earth's core. The planet's core could completely cool down in 1 billion years. As a result, Earth would lose its magnetic field, and along with it, the atmosphere and the ozone layer. Humans and all living beings would have to face deadly cosmic radiation, from which we are currently protected. A similar catastrophe, according to scientists, also happened to Mars. Approximately 4 billion years ago, the core of this planet cooled. At least it was during this period that the planet's magnetic field disappeared and the leakage of its atmosphere into space began. Gamma-ray bursts. These bursts are the result of collisions between two black holes, supernovae, or white dwarfs. They are accompanied by a massive release of energy. Fortunately, these bursts last from less than a second to a few minutes. And a similar burst has already reached Earth. By studying the annual rings of cedar trees and samples of polar ice, scientists have determined that such a release of cosmic energy could have reached Earth in 774 or 775 Anno Domini. Fortunately, it occurred far enough away to not cause significant harm to humanity. But if a burst were to occur closer, the force of this radiation would simply blow away our magnetic field and atmosphere. And as we've already established, this would lead to the death of all living things. Fortunately, such collisions happen only once every 100 million years. Rogue star. A rogue star is a star that is not bound by gravity, allowing it to travel freely through the galaxy. So, in 1996, scientists discovered a rogue star named Gliese 710, which is on a course to approach the solar system. And in 2016, they were able to calculate that in 1.5 million years, Gliese 710 will enter our solar system. Even if it doesn't collide with the sun, it could still cause harm to our planet. But the solar system has experienced close encounters with other stars before. It may sound unbelievable, but just 70,000 years ago, Scholz's star passed through the very edge of our solar system. Additionally, there is Gliese 208, which 500,000 years ago passed within just 5 light years of us. These were not the first and certainly not the last instances when foreign stars tried to pay us a visit. Fortunately for now, we have billions of years to enjoy life on our beautiful planet and bask in the warmth of our bright sun.